Why can a camel walk on hot sand, but we cannot? Why do some animals sleep all winter? Let's find out.
Now imagine this. One animal lives in a burning hot desert. Another lives on freezing ice. How do they survive?
Animal adaptation means special changes that help animals survive in their homes.
These changes help animals live in very hot, very cold, or very dangerous places.
There are three types of adaptations: physical adaptation, physiological adaptation, and behavioral adaptation.
Some animals have special body parts. These parts help them hunt, hide, or stay safe. Long necks help giraffes eat high leaves. Thick fur helps animals stay warm.
Some animals have humps. Some have big ears. Some have padded feet. In physiological adaptation, changes happen inside the body. Snakes make poison to protect themselves. Camels save energy in their body. Some animals can go without water for days. These changes help animals survive tough times. Some animals survive by changing what they do. These actions help animals save food and energy. Bears sleep during winter. Birds fly to warmer places. Some animals come out only at night. Let's meet the camel. Camels live in hot deserts. Camels have a hump. The hump stores fat. When food is hard to find, the fat gives the camel energy. Camels have long eyelashes. They protect the eyes from sand. They can close their nostrils to stop sand from going inside. Wide, soft feet help camels walk easily on hot sand. Now let's go to a freezing place. Polar bears live where everything is ice and snow. They have thick white fur. This keeps them warm. The white color helps them hide in snow. They also have a thick layer of fat called blubber. Blubber protects them from the cold.
So remember, friends, animals survive by their body, their inside systems, and their actions.